Hello everyone, welcome. This is Owusu's Kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, we are going for all things healthy. And what's better way to do this than to go back to our roots and to make a delicious healthy tea with Prekese or Aden fruit. In Ghana, Prekese is used to cook a special soup for mothers who have just given birth to help heal their stomachs. Also, research suggests that Prekese cleanses away fat in the body, resulting in weight loss upon regular intake. So ladies, this one is for us. It is also shown to help with the management of various ailments, including diabetes and arthritis. Research also suggests that it may slow down the growth of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, and to assist with the management of high blood pressure. So here I'm just going to cut it open so we take a closer look at the inside. It has tiny black seeds inside, which I won't be surprised if it is of health benefit as well. If you know of any, please leave it down the comment section so we can all learn together. Another healthy ingredient going into this tea are cloves. It is widely used and for a good reason as well. It is so nutritious. These are grains of psyllium, also representing, in Ghana we use this to cook hausa, cocoa, shito and the like. It is so healthy. Also, to go into this tea are good old ginger. The gingerol in ginger has powerful medicinal properties. It can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness, and it may help with weight loss. It can also drastically reduce blood sugars and improve heart health. And what would we do without lemons? Lemons are known for its richness in vitamin C. It controls weight loss, it prevents kidney stones, and works against premature aging of the skin. I have thoroughly washed these Prekese. So I'm going to go ahead and snap them into 2 each to make it easier to infuse well. And I'm also making small indents on the softer part of the Prekese. Some parts are softer than the others, so look out for the softer part and cut those areas. Next, I'll be slicing up the lemons, including the skin. We are not squeezing or peeling anything, so it's always best to get hold of organic if you can. So we are including everything in. So in a pot, I'm going to put the Prekese together with the lemon slices. Then we would proceed to the next stage. Moving on to the ginger, you can either grate it or simply slice it and add it to your pot, but you get more out of it if you crush it in a mortar to release most of its juice. So that's done. I'll add it to the pot, and likewise, if you want to get most out of the cloves and the grains of psyllium, crush them in a mortar as well so that it can really infuse well. So once that is done, I'm going to add enough water and then cover it to simmer on a medium heat for about 20 minutes. And then we will come back to this healthy looking and really good smelling tea. This tea is definitely the one. The cloves, wentia, ginger and the Prekese together with the lemons have really created a wonderful aroma. So you can either leave it in your pot and reheat it a little bit every day before you take it. Alternatively, you can strain it, especially if you want a grab and go kind of drink. And it is ready for you, my dear. It is so healthy, tastes well. If you've had Prekese before, you know what I'm talking about. It has a great aroma. Okay, so together with all the rest of these ingredients, it is so pleasant to take. And to demonstrate to you how I normally take it, I'll just scoop few into the glass, and you can either take it on its own or you can add a tiny bit of honey to it and drink it. I do hope I have inspired you to make this yourself and try it. Yeah, so cheers to Africans' delight and to good health. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care. Be well, be safe. Bye bye.